It's going at nighttime. Oh my god. The wind's blowing this shit everywhere, man. This is what it looks like at night. What do you guys think? Can't see the rest of the stuff though. It's holding up with the big winds. Holding up with the big winds. I gotta put more stuff tomorrow. I'm not done yet, so God, look at these clouds, man. It's blowing my hands, man. Not so bad. The stuff's holding up, man. Thank God. Broken stuff, they can fly away, but the main stuff that I want, like my stuff up there, the wind is blowing it. My masks, it's all my collectibles.